Dean Rutledge reached out to me after speaking with Dr. Mustafa, and apparently Dr. Mustafa had quite a few different projects up her sleeve and wanted to get us involved since she knew that we had the interior architecture and design program on campus. So I thought it was a great idea as well. So myself and another faculty member went around to a lot of different spaces that Dr. Mustafa has great and different and creative ideas for. We started with Stacy Town Center because that was the first project that needed to be addressed.
The class it was for was Commercial Interiors 1. This was a junior class, and the project was, Aviary gave us the Stacy Town Center to Professor Etheridge, and we were asked to create a student lounge for UTC.
Learning experiences that the students had is they had to adjust and adapt with changes based on budgets. So being able to value engineer and pull back if something costs too much to install or purchase, what were the other options? Something that they maybe hadn't experienced with any other project before. And then, so not only budgets, but also the client and the end user.
And true, value engineering and budget and availability and our lack of experience in making something actually come to fruition. So there's a lot of give and take in this process. And so seeing that happen, it's humbling. So, and I think the parameter that Jacob and I stuck with was how much can we do without changing too much? And I think that's really what saved us. So what can we do within these confined spaces with keeping load-bearing walls and keeping the main shape of the space that really is, I think, what seemed attractive to the main decision makers.
Just being able to have this to put on our portfolio, something real that we've got to create and design, is just, I don't even know how to express the amount of gratitude we have. And it's just, can't wait to go home and boast about it with all my friends and family. So,
I mean, you have to put your ego in your back pocket, and sometimes you have to bury your ego and learn to figure out which fights are important and when your voice is necessary. So yeah, it was. They don't teach what we learned during this process. It was invaluable, and I hear that there are other projects in the pipeline, and I think that is, like I said, they don't teach this in the classroom, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what other students can produce on campus.